Is your Instagram feed stuck, refusing to load new posts? You're not alone, and thankfully, fixing the couldn't refresh feed error is usually straightforward. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is solid if you're on Wi-Fi. Try toggling it off and on again, or forget the network and reconnect if you're using cellular data. Check that it's enabled and that you have a strong signal. Sometimes a quick airplane mode toggle can also do the trick. Just switch it on for about 30 seconds, then off again. Next, we'll clear Instagram's cache on Android. Go to your phone settings, then find apps or applications, locate Instagram in the list, and tap on it. You'll see an option for storage. Tap that, and then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts without deleting your login info. For iPhone users, head to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find Instagram. Tap Offload app. This removes the app but keeps its documents and data. Then tap Reinstall app to get a fresh copy. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, a full reinstallation might be necessary. Delete the Instagram app from your device, then go to your App Store, search for Instagram, and download it again. You'll need to log back in, of course, but this often resolves deeper glitches. Once you've completed these steps, open Instagram, pull down on your feed to refresh. Hopefully, you'll now see all the latest content from your friends and favorite creators. If the problem persists, consider visiting Instagram's Help Center for more advanced troubleshooting.